So one of the things that I really treasure about working as a mediator is the ability to design processes that, well, to design them around the needs of the two particular people in front of me. Because each set of clients is a totally new dynamic, is a totally new set of perspectives, is a totally new set of values. And I want to be able to be responsive to that, and I want to be able to empower people to decide exactly what kind of structure and support they need. So first off, I encourage clients to minimize my role as much as possible. Now, that might sound counterintuitive, but if we think about it, there's actually a lot of people who, they come in and they say, look, we're pretty adept about our finances, we have a landscape of what's going on, but we're not lawyers. So it'd be great, could you just communicate to the court for us? So basically do our paperwork, and could you give us neutral legal information so that we're able to make decisions with that information in the background to choose or not choose? So some of my mediations, my role is actually quite small because it's confined to those two things. Other times, I've had clients where they only speak if they're in my office. So then, yes, I am communicating with the court, I am doing those kind of services as a mediator attorney, but I'm also providing a lot of support when it comes to communication and negotiation. So a mediation process for someone who's in that position would be very different. And it's not unusual too that occasionally people say, look, I'd like to have my consulting attorney come in, and so that we're actually mediating with consulting attorneys. That's perfectly acceptable. That's something that can be a very positive experience for clients. Another thing that we can do is occasionally I'll break people out and we'll do caucusing, which is when people are in two different rooms. And it's called shuttle diplomacy, going back and forth. And sometimes people have their consulting attorneys for that experience, and sometimes they choose to have me shuttle back and forth between just them. So one of the things to realize is that when people are working in mediation, you're not just a cookie cutter being fit into something like you are in a court system, right? Which is just a one-size-fits-all. It's actually, who are you? What are your values? What are your needs? And then let's make sure that you have the support and structure so that you're going to get the best quality agreement that you can.